KHS. My name is Chintamani Chitale from Mankind, where the real life hero meets the real for the first time. Can we have a huge round of applause for Dr. KHS, please?
Someone who has been given this 4 big momentous awards, right? And these are really big ones. So it's really amazing. We are the #1 prescribed company in the country today for over a decade now. So we thank the entire fraternity over here to have given us this support.
With the help of this film, we're trying to create some kind of a memory in which you could really showcase you as a hero which you actually are.
One of the surgical techniques which he innovated and described was the KHS rectangular graft technique.
Typical day of Dr. Sancheti starts at 6:45 AM when he arrives to the Sancheti hospital.
The commitment towards his work, his passion, his patients, his students, his family stands out, and that is something that I have taken from him as a guru mantra.
कृपा म्हणजे काय हे मला माझ्या आयुष्यामध्ये पहिल्या सर्जरीच्या वेळेसच लक्षात आलं. ते शब्द होते तुमचे माझे सगळ्यांचेच गुरुवर्य डॉक्टर KH संचेती सर यांचे.
He has been the guru and the teacher, the dronacharya to so many of us Arjuns and Eklavyas in this hall.
I am very happy the way in which all of you has taken me up, celebrated it very well. I salute every one of you.
And I've seen this movie before, but seeing it in this august audience was a different experience. And first of all, I want to thank the entire Mankind Pharma team for this, especially Mr. Rajiv Juneja, Vice Chairman and Co-founder,